Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Style and Glamour. I hope that you are doing well and pretty fine. That's today video is all about stylish nail art design that you can easily try at home or get done at your favorite salon. If you love experimenting with your nail and want to stay on top of the latest trend, then you are in the right place. Make sure to watch till the end because I will be showing you plenty of unique design ranging from classy and elegant to bold and trendy. Something minimal yet super stylish nude shade with simple line or dot are always in fashion. A soft pink base with white geometric pattern look clean and elegant, perfect for work or daily wear. Another minimal idea is to use pastel color with a glossy top coat. You can even create simple friendship with a modern twist like adding glitter to just the edge of your nail. Nail art is also a fun way to celebrate different seasons. For summer, think of bright neon shade, tropical leaves or beach wave. In winter, you can try snowflake pattern, deep red and frosty blue for special occasion like Valentine's Day. Heart shape pattern with pink and red are always a favorite. Theme designs are playful and allow you to match your nails with your mood or occasions. If you like making a statement, bold nail art is for you. This makes your nail eye-catching and unique. Stylish nail art looks its best when your nails are healthy. Always use a good base coat to protect your nail and top coat to make your design last longer. Keep your hand moisturized and do not forget to give your nail a break. Where each nail can have a different style, but the colors or themes tie them all together. Here are some trendy mix match combination you can try. Some color family but mixed texture. Use one base color and different French tip. Choose a color theme, solid gold glitter, full gold glitter, black with gold foil, gold base with black stripe, matte burgundy, glossy burgundy, purple nude base with white tip, lemon black and blue based with black tips, pastel with flower polka dot, add stripe, bright neon color plum leaves and fruity prints, brown orange plaid pattern and leaf Asian blue white snowflakes and glitter, light blue mix light and dark. Add a balance of simple detail nail so it's not too busy. Keep one nails as an Asian nail, glitter, rhinestone or foil. Mix and match nails are perfect for showing creativity while keeping your style playful and unique. From polish sometime so they can stay strong and healthy. So that's it for today video. Stylish nail art design. Which design was your favorite? Let me know in the comment. below. Do not forget to like this video if you enjoy it and subscribe to the channel for more stylish and beauty inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay stylish, stay comfy. Bye.